na kaming umattend ng mass ng 4 up to 5 p.m. So, after that is pumunta kami ng, dineliver ko pa yung meet up ko sa Kogon. And then, bumalik ako dito kasi nga naghihintay kami sa yung lights. I don't know if my Christmas lights, lightning for today's video. So, ayan guys, hahanapin. We're here at hahanapin ko lang namin yung bihon na may sabaw. Like, same atong Sunday. I think it's there. Same atong. Tora, murag mo ito. Same atong ni aking Sunday na yung spicy na bihon na may sabaw. So, we're looking for those. So, we're going to eat before it's 6, I guess. It's 6 p.m. mag-start yung lightning. I don't know. Man, tapos pangita sa inyo. Sige, duhaw. With egg mo?
Ay, dili na.
Dili na. Without egg lang. Duha. Ayan guys, nara yung favorite namin na bihon with soup.
Plastari lang lang to.
Plastaran daw na to. Plastaran. Diri daw tao. Plastaran natin. Plastaran guys, bihon. Although it's madilim na guys. But the spicy one is here. Oh, ang dilim. Basta ito na yun siya. Masarap. Guys, so meron ng mga paano dyan. And then naka-on na yung mga lights. Lots of balloons. Now it lights and all. So tapos na kaming kumain sa ma-spicy na bihon. Masarap siya guys. Nakapag-retouch na din tayo sa glet. So ayan guys, ito yung mga walang music. Hindi ko alam kung mayroon ba siyang music. Blind? Ano man na? Oh, sa kuan man kani. Foggy siya, foggy. Ayan guys, so picture daw. Ayan yung balon na may pasiga-siga. Hindi siya mabilis maano guys, mabuto, murag. Wala may kuan. Hala, narang Christmas lights guys. Wait lang, we go there. Is there. And then Mona City Hall. So maganda yung lights ng City Hall natin. Magpicture ka ta.
Oh, magpicture mo dito. Ati di na jud ko pala.
Wala oy.
Wet.
Lights sa cathedral guys. Gusto ko magpicture sa cathedral. Mo ben ako ingon dito ta magpicture. Let's tuyok. Wait lang. Yes, that's the City Hall. Yan. This is the traffic. It's there. There. Parang medyo less ra ang ilahang ano. Pero ba sinuturan pa na nila? Ayan, mag-change ang color. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, comment. Nakita na mong kuhan, guys. Kanang kapalo mo masahe. Okay, guys. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe them.